Yo, yo, yo. Well, we finally splurged. Darkness. This is something that I've been wanting for since I was 12, 30 years. Yeah, finally splurged and we got a fishing boat. Check this beauty out. It's a 2013 Bass Tracker. Bass Tracker got 2 fish finders on it. Got all the dash. We had a bimini installed on it, so the bimini will come up and cover the seating area. Got a seat up here. It's got a 75 horsepower Mercury on the back. It's got a cover. Cover's obviously pulled back. Boat is sitting extremely crooked. Should have straightened that out, but we're rookies at this game. So we got tackle storage, both sides, compartment, live well. You can keep fishing, keep baiting. Deck is a mess with all my tackle. Got rods, trolling motor. Trolling motor's foot powered on the trailer. Only thing that I've added, I added the little rod holders. I'm gonna put another one over there. Just wanted to make sure that this one would work, and I was happy with it, which I am. Added a little cup holder, a little bait holder. But yeah, this is our new adventure in our lives. I'd say I'm a little bit obsessed. I've got quite the collection of tackle. I do need more though. So right now we've got it stored in the garage. Truck's out there. I've been taking it to our local pond here in Lake Riverside. Doing pretty good. Works good. We can't use the big motor. So this Thursday, planning on a big trip. Not a big trip, but just a day trip out to our local Lake Hemet. Should be fun. Catch you then. See you.
All right, we're off on our first adventure with a new boat. Not going anywhere crazy, just to our little pond. Let's go. Alright, made a voyage. We're out here on the boat. Took a little while to get used to the trolling motor, get that going. We're out here on our lake in our community, our little pond out here. We can't use the big boy motor, this motor, out here because it's such a small lake. So we are currently using just the trolling motor, and Scott's practicing with that. Here we go.
Hold it.
Alright, Sky is the first one.
You don't hold it that way, you hold it this way.
Oh, you lost the worm. Oh, no, you didn't. Sky is the first one to cast off our boat. Oh, he's doing a
Flip this over.
spinning reel first time. Nice cast. Alright.
You don't know how to do it, don't sit there.
What do we catch, Scotty?
Nothing!
We cut lessons.
We're out here on the first trip. We didn't catch anything. We're practicing a lot with the trolling motor and learning a lot, right, babe?
Yeah. Big learning curve.
We have a lot to learn. So we are on our way back in to our little dock over there and bring her back home and
Daddy!
continue on. But it's a nice sunset, huh? Say goodnight.
Boop up!